So now come to question number 17, exercise 1, phase 1, mathematics, chapter step 9. If the lines 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 and these three lines are concurrent, what is the meaning of concurrency? Lines are passing through one point. So all the three lines are passing through one point. All the three lines are passing through one point. So this is line number L1, this is line number L2, and this is line number L3. So what I will do, I will find L1 and L3. Two methods are there. Both method I am explaining. One method can be used for in 11th class. Determinant, once you have done determinant, how to solve it. 3 to 3 determinant, you can solve by another method also. So here, first solve this. Find this point P, intersection point. 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So this will cancel. 5x is equal to 5, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2x minus 3. So y is equal to minus 1. So this point of intersection is P is 1 comma minus 1. Now third line also must pass through this. So pass the third line, px plus 2y minus 3 to 0. So p minus 2 minus 3 to 0. So this gives you p is equal to 5. So this completes this question. Now you can solve this by another method also. That is determinant method. Directly you can write if these three are concurrent, the coefficient. Determinant formed by coefficient 3. Coefficient of y is 1 minus 2. This is p 2 minus 3. This is 2 minus 1 minus 3 must be equal to 0. This is a 3, not x. Coefficient of here x is 3. I am writing the coefficients only. So coefficient of x is 3. Coefficient of x is 3. So I will write that x as 3. Here. So this is equal to 0. Just simplify this. So if you are in 11th class, you may not know knowing method, you can solve by this method. Other students can solve easily this. Plus, minus, plus. So 3, right? Hide this row and column. So you will get 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 and then hide corresponding row and column. P2 minus 3 minus 2 and hide this. So P2 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this will give the answer 3 minus 6 minus 3 minus. So minus 1 minus 3p plus 6 minus 2 minus p minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is how much? Minus 6 plus minus 9 minus 27 plus 3p minus 6 minus plus 2p plus 8 is equal to 0. So 3 plus 2, 5p. 5p is equal to 25. Transfer that side. So 6 minus 6, 2 is left. So this is 25. So p is equal to 5. So from this also you can get, but this you must use when you are in the 12th class or 11th class students. This method is works out. Thank you.